Once you arrive at the Colorado River, you will suit up, put on your life jacket, and soon you'll be off to hit the rapids. You will get wet, and the water is cold on the Colorado River. You'll get wet from the get-go, and there will be 8 other rapids that will be quite an experience for you. There will be other boats that will be joining you in getting wet as well. It will have you and your fellow river runners grinning from ear to ear and laughing like never before. The stop at the Travertine Waterfall is beautiful and adventurous. You'll climb up a rope ladder, something that most people don't do every day, if ever. The photo spot is at the waterfall. The climb up and down are moderate in terms of difficulty, but the guides are there to help you all the way. It's a great stop after about 4 miles of whitewater rafting to go up and hike to this Travertine Waterfall.